guys didn't hear anything for a few seconds, I'm sorry. In this video we're playing Phantom Forces. I'm not really a big fan of this game. I'm not really good. I don't really have that too many good guns. I'm using a sniper. Right now it's not actually called this in the game. I need to stand up for this game. I'm better when I stand up in this game. So cold. Oh. I'm like super bad. Like I tried to snipe someone in an open area. There could be. I'm maybe getting a trampoline. I'm maybe. So there might be a trampoline video coming out soon. Maybe. That's a maybe. I said maybe and might. We're trying to get to a sniping position right now. I'm a really noob at this game. Not a pro. And I made it obvious. Thought I made it clear. I won't be talking a lot in this video. I mean, I don't really talk a lot when I'm playing Phantom Force. I usually talk to myself when I'm playing this game, so that's why I started a video. So I'm not talking to myself. I don't want people to think that I'm weird. I find it good. The only thing those goods. Oh, that's a good. And I made it obvious. How? He got me through a wall! Whatever. Not gonna reach. Play. Character's so slow. I have a sniper, and I'm trying to run. I honestly think that they should make it so snipers can run. I think this is my body. Hacks. Actually, you can't snipe people. Oh, they want me into vent. Oh, we won though. Let me show you guys my real loadout. I usually use this gun. I've been working on it. The very first gun that I used to use was this one. It's a pretty view. And I got this one. I'm gonna use this one because it has 180 ammo. And then if you go to recon, I am a sniper. What map is this? Ruins. So guys, we're going to get, I'm sorry, don't hate on me if I'm not pronouncing that right. We're going to get this gun. Oh yeah, this is my game. Yeah, why? As I said, guys, I am a super noob at this game. I do know a lot of the maps. I have been playing this game quite a while. If you guys hold W, Shift, and X, and then like you can jump. And if you do W, Shift, and C, you go that way. And Shift, W, M, Shift. Oh, someone shot me. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That was not the video. 7:45. If you guys see me do that during my videos, I'm checking how much longer I have. 15 minutes and 4 seconds to record a video. I'm gonna call my mom again. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm going to end this video here. And I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you are new to this channel. We will see you all in the next video. Peace out, my